Ay, gogo!
Gogo.
Yan, natambak na.
Tambak. Tangina 16. Kumbaga,
Kumbaga 5 each eh.
umabot pa ng ano, game 7 talaga. Ina, game 7 talaga. Kumbaga sabi ni Jasper.
Shit! Oh, nice!
Kita ani. Grabe.
SGA kicks to Holmgren. Oklahoma City moving the ball around.
Uy.
Out to Wall.
Ayun, tama lang yan. Puwasok pa.
Both teams running perimeter
Ay, gogo. Damot yung pasok ko.
Yeah, just going back and forth. It is really competitive out there. Pass to Holmgren.
Uy, tumalons.
And
Tumalons. Tumalons.
This is SGA's role. He's out here to score and score.
Kaya pa ito.
Pa talaga.
Wembanyama, a screen on SGA.
Ano, tres.
Fox.
Oy!
Nice. Nagulo.
Wembanyama makes the right plays. Wow. And here's Wallace. He'll bring it up for the Thunder. Over in the corner, Williams. Pounds in pass.
Nice di yun.
Rebounded by Victor Wembanyama.
Uy.
Wembanyama's got 6 rebounds now in the game.
Uy.
Here's Champagny. Wallace covering. Here is Wembanyama. Shot clock at 5. Vassell was screen on Holmgren. Wembanyama. Keeps it alive.
Uy, natip. Natip.
It's interesting. You know, Vassell has a
Nice play,
nonchalant
my
style.
dog, bro.
You don't notice though that he's really just outworking everyone. Outside Hartenstein. Now Williams. And here's Wallace. SGA. Stewart, he's checked in for the steal. Here is Wembanyama. Here's Fox. Now Vassell. Five to
Oy, oh.
shoot. Castle. And goes in. A 6'6" Castle with a strong finisher inside. The Thunder lead by 13.
Girls' weakness. Girls' weaknesses.
Now Castle. Here's Champagny. Buries the jumper. And all of a sudden, things finally coming together for them. The deficit still
Parang reptilian na si Doc.
not insurmountable. And they seem to have found something out there.
Kaya pa, pare. Kaya pa, pare ka.
Ay!
Uy, sayang.
And now as the clock ticks down, this is going to end up as a solid victory here for Oklahoma City. You guys, fast break was run, I thought, beautifully. All night by these guys. I think that was a big part of the success. Yeah, they definitely ran the break well.
Kung kung ipitik talaga.
And they continually put pressure.
Talagang kaya pa talaga, oh.
Tremendous standout performance at once.
Feeling ko, kayang-kaya pa lumaban ang ating kaibigan na reptilian. Nag-iinit, no? Uy, ganda laban to, pare. Pang-finals na talaga. Uy, nakapasok. At apat na. Mala Tracy McGrady yata mangyayari dito, mga kaibigan. Ayun o, unang tres. Unang tres nga
Oy,
pala.
gago!
Wala.
Yun na, boy. Wala.
Yun.
Sarap tumigit na eh.
Check, no? Kumbaga, game7.com. Ay, gumayon pa nga.
Still pa. Tama.
And given that Holmgren is 7 feet tall, he's a threat to throw it down at any time.
Umiiyak pa, oh. Tingnan
Umiiyak
mo.
pa, talo naman na.
Mga ng basas.
Mga ganun pa eh.
Pampano lang ng ano ni Roy, papagaanin niya lang ang buhay, no? Ah.
Game 7!
Game 7! Tangina.
Bukas game 7 natin guys ha.
Bukas pa pala game 7 na.
Game 7 natin.
Siyempre, grabe yung mga kamay nila.
Tangina kakabul. Tangina 3-0. Tangina. Budget talaga ako kakapun dun. Tangina 3-0. Dok, nagpi-freeze na, Dok?
Ha?
May, ano na, gumugulo na.